Hello guys, so my name is Prince, a level 100 student, degree nursing, and I'm here to introduce to you a course which is called Issues in Environmental Science, and a topic which is deforestation. Now you all know that deforestation is the capital of due to mining, due to timber exploitation. Because of this has effect on us as human beings. So I'm here to introduce to you how and ways to prevent deforestation. So I'm here with my colleagues to elaborate with you the causes and the effects and how to prevent deforestation, because deforestation is having much impact on us as human beings. Thank you for your audience attention.
Hello guys, my name is Amoku Daniel, a level 100 BA social science student of UCC, and I'm here to talk about causes of deforestation, as my friend have already explained the meaning of deforestation to you. And there's a lot of causes of deforestation, of which I would like to talk about only three. And the first one I would like to talk about is expansion of construction. And as we all know, when contractors want to construct, let's say, road or houses, they do clear the land, and during the act of clearing the land, they do cut down trees. Which is termed as deforestation. And the second one is wood extraction. People do extract woods for fuel, for reason of fuel, let's say for charcoal production and stuff. And the third one is for agriculture. And as we all know, when people want to cultivate crops, they do clear the land. And as they are clearing the land, they cut down trees. They cut down trees to expand the land for them to cultivate their crops here. So, and I would like to talk about, I would like also to talk about the effect of deforestation. There is a lot of effects of deforestation, and I would like to talk about only three. And the first one is loss of habitats. And we all know in the ecosystem, a lot of animals do live in the forest zone. And when the forest is being cleared, or when the trees are being cut down, this habitat do lose this animal do lose their habitat. And the second effect is climate change. And as we all know, when the trees are being cut down, there will be a lot of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. And someone may ask, what is the meaning of greenhouse gases? They are the gases that absorb and emit radiation in thermal infrared range. And when these gases are being released into the atmosphere, for example, carbon dioxide, when these gases are being released into the atmosphere, the trees that are supposed to absorb the carbon dioxide content in the atmosphere wouldn't be there. And this will lead to a lot of carbon concentration in the atmosphere. Okay, and the last point I would like to talk about is soil erosion. When there is excessive rainfall and the trees are being cut down, this rainfall will have a direct contact with the soil, and it will wash away the topsoil, and this will expose the microorganism content in the soil to excessive sunshine, in which the microorganism that give nutrient to plant growth will die, and this will affect the production of plant growth. Thank you.
As said early on by my brother, there are so many causes of this deforestation, but I'm here to give a fair idea on the solutions or how to mitigate the upcoming of deforestation in our environment. And one of the factors or things I have seen that can mitigate the deforestation, the major one, of course, is the reforestation and afforestation. The reforestation and afforestation are two different things altogether. The reforestation is replanting trees to replace the lost ones. The lost ones which were cut down for wood expansion, the lost ones which were cleared, or the vast lands which were cleared for agricultural expansion and infrastructural expansions or something. And with the afforestation is the planting of trees for economic activities or any other activities in order to improve the economic activities of the country or the community. Also, the second point that we can use, or the second way that we can use to do away with deforestation in our environment is when we are being educated. That's in a way public education. When the public is being given education on the negative and the positive effects of deforestation, it will help the people to be conscious of their activities in a way, people will not just go and be cutting down trees because they have been exposed to the negative effects of such acts. So therefore, people now use renewable energy sources, and they do away with the charcoal for cooking and stuff. They now go in for gases and energy sources such as electricity for cooking and others. The third point to do away with deforestation in our environment is the government enforcing the law, or the enforcement of the law by the government. The government should enforce the law in such a way that it will give policies on how to use the land. It also give policies on how to expand our agriculture as a whole. It also give policy on the direct use of land. The government should help citizens, or should guide citizens on how to use the land properly so that we don't abuse it.
So to conclude, let's all adapt to these measures to prevent deforestation on our environment. God richly bless you for your time. Bye bye.